Hello students, good morning. Class 8, your topic is on progress. Correct form of the verb. And today we will discuss about past indefinite tense. Dear students, today we will discuss about a new tense for you. The tense is past indefinite. In previous classes, I have taught you present indefinite, present continuous or progressive tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. In correct form of the verb, we fill in the blanks with correct verb, but we have to write the correct verb only by looking at the adverb of time given in the sentence. Adverb of time कौन कौन सी यहाँ दी जाती हैं उनको हम देखते हैं इस टेंस में. In this tense, the adverb of time are yesterday, last, previous, or last year. These are the adverb of time. If any one of the adverb of time is given in your sentence, then in the blank you will use the second form of the main verb. If you do not want to write the second form of the main verb, then you can write here did plus MB first. In affirmative sentences, like the way or in the same way of present indefinite tense. In affirmative sentences of present indefinite tense, we always use the first form of the main verb, s or es behind the main verb. And in this tense, in affirmative sentences, we always use the second form of the main verb. Okay, students, here if the sentence is negative or interrogative, if the sentence is negative or interrogative, then you will use did helping verb and the first form of the main verb. Okay, so we will write or use here some of the examples of this tense. First example is India blank and the first form is get freedom in 1947. India got freedom in 1947. Like the way it will be your answer. My dear students, what is given in the sentence? In the sentence, you get here the previous year. The previous year is 1947. 1947 पिछला वर्ष है, पिछला सन दिया हुआ आता है, तो आप क्या भरोगे? मुख्य क्रिया की सेकंड फॉर्म। इफ द लास्ट ईयर, लास्ट सेशन इज गिवन इन एनी सेंटेंस, you will use the second form of the main verb if the sentence is affirmative. Okay? India, the second form of get is got. And the second sentence, last month I purchase this bike. This is your next exercise. Last month I purchased this bike. What is given in this sentence? Last month. Last. So you will use here purchased, the second form of the main verb. If the sentence will be of negative or interrogative, then you will use here did plus MB first. Okay? The next sentence is I go to Ghaziabad yesterday. This is the sentence. The sentence has a adverb of time, that is yesterday, indicates always past tense, means past indefinite tense. And in past indefinite tense, we use the second form of the main verb. Yesterday is given here, so you will fill in the blank the second form of the main verb. And what is the second form of go? The second form of go is went. So you will write here went, W-E-N-T. Okay? The fourth sentence is she last week. This is your sentence, but the sentence is of negative. She not is given here. Last week, what is the adverb of time in the sentence? The adverb of time is last. The adverb of time is last. Last is given here. So, you will use second form of the main verb. But first of all, you have to look at the sentence. Sentence is of negative. Sentence is negative. So, you will use did plus MB first. She did not play. She did not play football last week. Okay? Next. How blank you solve the problem in 2015. This is the sentence. But dear student, the sentence is interrogative. The sentence is interrogative. No matter, the sentence is interrogative no matter in the sentence last session, last year means 2015. 2015, but this year is 2020. So here 2015 is given, means to say the work has been done in 2015 in past tense. So you will use the second form of the main verb, but dear students, the sentence is of interrogative. So you will use did plus the first form of the main verb. How did you solve? Mind it, my dear students, we always use the first form of the main verb with the helping verb did. How did you solve the problem in 2015? This is your tense of correct form of the verb, and tense is past indefinite tense. In past indefinite tense we always use did first or the second form of the main verb, and the adverb of time, the words that express the adverb of time, these words are yesterday, last, previous, last year, means last session. Okay, dear students, this is your class of class 8 English medium school. You have to get or you have to copy the sentences from the blackboard. With these words, dear students, I finish my class here. Okay, thank you.